I gotta go get the scissors. It will just be a marble, guys. So, anyways. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is hard. It's like a net. I mean, it kind of is. Look at that. It won't come apart. Come on. This is so hard. The top came off. The marble flew out. Ooh, I got a green marble. Should I put anything in this? Like, this would be a cool fidget I could make out of this. Wait, I could make a finger puppet out of this. Yeah, that's actually... I don't want to. I'm gonna try to make it something cool. If you guys think I shouldn't have cut this in half, then comment whatever you want, I guess. Or if you... I don't really know. Because I don't want to say like and subscribe if you think I shouldn't have done that. I don't want to do that because that's just basically kind of forcing you guys. It's cage. Get out, marble. Well, what should I do with it? You guys will let me know. Oh no. There's actually lots of things I can do with this cut in half. That came out like a water fountain. Water fountain! But for marble. Ready? Let's see it. Shoot! That was the marble. Okay, for safety reasons, I'm going to put you guys over here. Okay. I'm gonna fling it again. That hit my bookshelf if you didn't see that. That didn't go far. I want it to hit the wall. Okay, ready? Wait. Brother! Okay. Anyways, guys, you just leave your comment down below what you think I should do with this. So, yeah. Okay, goodbye.